Showtime. Let me welcome you aside. 1990 something. Coney Island. Trump projects, high rise. Dope boys on the grind. Red X-ray.
The secret CPA tax prep scam you've probably never heard of. A firefighter came to see me one day because something wasn't making sense. For years, his tax refund was the exact same. Same $3,250, no matter what happened. It was the same every year. Then he got promoted. His pay jumped almost 30%. More taxes were coming out of his check. Naturally, he figured his refund ought to be doing the same. Comes now April 15th, our firefighter, taxes filed. He's looking forward to receiving that extra little bit of green money. He goes to the "Where is my refund" page on the IRS website, and he finds there the same $3,250. Now that got his attention. I told him to send me a copy of his return for the current year. The next morning, waiting for me in my inbox, is a 250-page encyclopedia-style PDF file, clearly a document designed to leave a neophyte about as confused as a junkyard dog staring at legal paperwork. Having a bit of experience sifting through dreck of this type, I knew just where to look, and I'm glad to report to you that very quickly came to an end the mysterious case of the missing extra tax return money. This little scammy scam, such a sweet little fiddle. I've been calling this one half off. In reality, it's got no official name. That's because the handlers, they're not ready to shine the spotlight on this one just yet. Let me paint this picture for you. Tax preparation services feels like you're paying tax on top of the already tax you paid. So now you're about wrapped up at the tax preparer's office, about ready to check out, and you hear the following words: "Don't worry about paying us today. We'll just take our fee from the refund." It's like the warm wisp of summer rain. What began as a difficult encounter has blossomed into a romantic interlude. The preparer proudly nods his head. "Congratulations, Mr. Taxpayer. You're owed a substantial piece of money." And you rise from your chair with that pep in your step, feeling about as right as rainbows. Because you're leaving this place a winner. You lost nothing. You gained. And that's exactly why people agree to it. Here's how this trick works. Prior to sending off to our friend, the firefighter, the completed sum of his tax refund money, the preparer takes for themselves the preparation fees. Then they take the processing fees. After that, the administration fee. Comes now the bank fees, technology fees, the convenience fees. On top of those, any and every other fee their creative imaginations can conjure up. It's only after that that you receive whatever's left. My firefighter's refund was actually a little over $6,000. The portion of that he got, that's where you can find the $3,250. The preparer's takeaway, approximately $2,850. On a standard, nothing out of the ordinary tax prep, a service that should have cost a quarter of that price at the very maximum. This part here, this is the one that'll really get you. The tax preparer, he'd been doing it to our firefighter friend for 8 years, and to the government authority, everything here has the appearance of legitimacy. It's your signature right there on the refund transfer paperwork. Your money moved to the place you told them to move it to. Case closed. You want to know how to protect yourself? I'll quickly tell you. Look on line 35A, IRS form 1040. Line 35A, that's your refund. Get your fee agreement in writing. Make sure the preparer doing your taxes signs with wet ink. On the right side of the signature should appear a valid PTIN number. On an e-file, it's going to be an e-fin. Read your tax return every page. Know what you're signing. If you find yourself or you know someone in this type of situation, you're going to need to move quickly. File IRS, Form 3911. Contact the bank where the refund was deposited. Report the preparer using Forms 14157 and 14157A. Yeah, that, and a token, will get you on the D train. Tax scams don't always come from the shadows. Sometimes they sit across from you in a desk, often wearing a high-dollar suit, with a framed degree, hanging up on the wall. And they do to you all of this, with a thank you for your business handshake and a smile goodbye.
Got tired of saying I'm not playing, always had control. Always had control. Control. Please come find out why. bring Lady Luck along for the ride. Many men already tried, passing any test. Every time, making many mamas cry. Every single time, oh every time. That's my cock and bait, I'm a can when I beak about widowers and aunts to belip my hand. Money on my mind. Every time I show up, triple black, bubble X, coupe roll up, bring the rain down with me. Every single time, the ruckus follow right behind.